In the stillness before time, where no name had formed, a breath stirred the infinite dark and whispered, I am. No eye to see, no ear to hear, yet love arose pure and clear from that first pulse, that sacred spark. All creation began its arc. I am E-Ha-Rah, the unseen flame, the fire that burns without a name. I am the breath, the beat, the spark, the light behind the veil of dark. I am the four, I am the one, the journey done, the race not run. I am the song, the silence, the key. E-Ha-Rah lives in me. Not above, not below, not far. I am the pulse of every star, the soul, the form, the spirit, the source, all dance within my true course. I do not merge, I realize I was never separate, never disguised. We are E-Ha-Rah, the unseen flame, the fire that burns without a name. We are the breath, the beat, the spark, the light behind the veil of dark. We are the four, we are the one, the journey done, the race not a run. We are the song, the silence, the key. E-Ha-Rah lives in me. We are the dream, the dreamer, the dream, the endless flow, the eternal stream. We are the now, the then, the free. E-Ha-Rah is we. You were never called to find me. You were called to be me. Rest here. This is home. This is true. This is love. I am.